Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Now, let's talk about what we can expect from the upcoming iPad mini 7. Design-wise, I believe Apple will stick with the successful formula introduced in the iPad mini 6. The small form factor, together with the sleek, modern look, is a wonderful combination. To optimize screen space without losing the overall footprint, I do hope Apple takes into account a little bezel reduction. Remember that the iPad mini would benefit from a bit more of a screen, given that the iPhone 16 Pro Max is reported to have a gigantic 6.9-inch display. We're diving deep into the exciting world of iPad rumors, specifically focusing on the highly anticipated iPad mini 7. While the iPad mini might not be the top choice for productivity powerhouses like myself, who rely on the iPad Pro for daily tasks, it undeniably holds a special place in the hearts of many. It's the perfect blend of portability and performance, making it an ideal companion for content consumption and casual tasks. One of the most significant upgrades we're eagerly awaiting is the transition to an OLED display. While rumors suggest this might not happen until the iPad mini 8 in 2026, it's still a feature that would elevate the viewing experience to new heights. Additionally, Apple is reportedly working diligently to address the jelly scrolling issue that plagued some iPad mini 6 users. This is fantastic news, as a smooth and consistent display is crucial for an optimal user experience. Under the hood, the iPad mini 6 already packs a powerful punch with the A15 Bionic chip. While an M-series chip would be a dream come true, it's more realistic to expect incremental performance improvements with the next generation. However, I'm genuinely excited about the prospect of Apple integrating its advanced intelligence features into the iPad mini 7. This could potentially unlock a whole new range of capabilities and enhance the overall user experience. Battery life has always been a strong suit of the iPad mini, and I don't anticipate any drastic changes in this area. However, with increased reliance on AI features, we might see a slight impact on battery performance. To counter this, Apple could optimize the software or potentially include a larger battery without significantly increasing the device's thickness. Storage options have been a point of contention for some users. The base 64GB storage on the iPad mini 6 feels a bit restrictive in today's world of high-resolution photos, videos, and apps. I'm hopeful that Apple will bump up the base storage to 128GB for the iPad mini 7. It's a small change that would make a significant difference for many users. So, when can we expect the iPad mini 7 to hit the shelves? According to reliable sources, the announcement could happen as early as this fall. However, if you're craving an OLED display, you might want to hold off until 2026. Pricing is expected to remain consistent with the previous generation, but fingers crossed for that 128GB base storage option. Ultimately, the iPad mini 7 has the potential to be an even more compelling device than its predecessor. With a refined design, improved display, enhanced performance, and intelligent features, it could solidify its position as the go-to choice for those seeking a compact yet capable tablet. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on the iPad mini 7. Are you excited about the potential upgrades? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.